Severe thunderstorms rolled through southern Michigan and northwest Ohio on Monday, leaving hundreds of thousands of customers without power in the region. The storm killing 3 people, including an 11-year-old boy who was swept into a drain as the storm system stretched into Arkansas, the authorities said. A line of storms, which had dissipated by Monday night, produced wind gusts from 60 to 80 miles per hour in parts of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. This prompting severe thunderstorm warnings throughout the day, said Bob Oravec, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service. The impact of the storm system extended south into Arkansas, where heavy rainfall and flash flooding swept through the northern part of the state, said Joe Sellers, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service.